Leo is hungry. It is 1 p.m. Leo is at home. He is very hungry. He is opening the fridge. The fridge is empty. Oh no! Leo is looking in the kitchen. He is opening the cabinets. No food, no bread, no fruit. I am so hungry, Leo says. My stomach is making a noise. He is sitting on a chair. He is thinking. What can he do? He is checking his wallet. He has $5. That is good. Now Leo is putting on his shoes. He is taking his bag. He is leaving the house. He is walking to the store. The sun is shining. It is a hot day. Leo is walking fast because he is hungry. He is arriving at the store. The store is big and cold. He is taking a basket. He is looking at the bread. The bread is $2. Good. He is looking at the cheese. The cheese is $3. Good. He is taking the bread and the cheese. He has $0 now. He is paying for the food. He is walking home. Now Leo is at home again. He is making a sandwich. He is cutting the bread. He is putting cheese on the bread. The sandwich is ready. It looks good. Leo is sitting at the table. He is eating the sandwich. He is not hungry now. He is happy. He is drinking water. Now he is smiling. The problem is finished. The moral of the story: when you have a problem, take action. Leo was hungry, so he found a solution. With a little money and some effort, he made his own meal. Being independent and using what you have can make you very happy.